Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best 60% keyboards in 2021. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. We've spent the last 6 months meticulously collecting 60% of keyboards in order to give you with the greatest choices. Our crew has tried and tested every keyboard in this video. Here is our hand-picked list of the finest 60% mechanical keyboards, based on 40+ hours of testing. Keep your wits about you because things are about to become interesting. Number 5. Ducky One 2 Mini, our top pick. The Ducky One 2 Mini pleased us the most out of every 60% keyboard on this list. This is the keyboard we recommend if you're looking for something that will meet 60% of your demands. The Ducky One 2 Mini is a great all-arounder. This keyboard's customizability is our favorite feature. The Ducky One 2 Mini can be customized to meet your productivity and gaming demands. All of the keycaps, switches, software, and RGB lighting may be changed to your liking. Do you want a keyboard that goes with the rest of your setup? Colored keycaps and illumination are available to match. Do you require a certain configuration for typing, gaming, or programming? With the onboard firmware, you may customize macros and key locations. There is no need for any program. You'll notice that your setup feels more efficient and personalized once you've integrated the Ducky One 2 Mini into your life. There's also a styled spacebar, which adds a lovely touch to the design. This keyboard is a fantastic partner for anything you intend to use it for, whether it's for business, gaming, typing, or programming. I would have preferred an aluminum frame at this pricing point, but if you have the extra cash, the Ducky One 2 Mecha Mini is a better option. It would be ideal if the keyboard could connect wirelessly, but you can't have it all. I would have preferred an aluminum frame at this pricing point, but if you have the extra cash, the Ducky One 2 Mecha Mini is a better option. It would be ideal if the keyboard could connect wirelessly, but you can't have it all. Number 4. Royal Kluge RK61, Best Budget 60% Keyboard. The RK61 is one of the most affordable mechanical keyboards on the market, with a low price tag. Our favorite mechanical keyboard under $50 is this one. The keyboard is ranked second because it is one of the greatest keyboards on the market for the money. While the Optimus switches on the RK61 aren't the best, they're a great alternative if you're searching for a budget keyboard. The switches have a 50 million keystroke lifespan. The Bluetooth wireless connection is one of the more interesting aspects of the keyboard. This RK61 is a wonderful choice if you prefer to take your keyboard with you or have a portable setup. However, we do not recommend gaming via wireless connection because it causes additional input delay. It's not the best for intense multiplayer gaming. In addition, the RK61 has lower layers that are easily accessible and printed on the front side of the keycaps in a way that is very easy to read. Overall, the keycaps are high contrast and enjoyable to use. The only drawback is that the keycaps are constructed of ABS plastic, which wears out faster than PBT but does not have the oily shine that ABS does. You can't complain about the keycap material for a keyboard in this pricing range. The RK61 also has a detachable USB-C charging wire in the center that makes charging and unplugging a breeze. You also won't have to worry about plugging the keyboard in backwards with USB-C. It can be worn both ways. The RK61's backlight is only available in blue, which makes it appear rather professional, but if you like a wide range of colors, a 60% RGB option may be preferable. Overall, we were impressed with the RK61's quality for the price, but there are better options on the list if you have a little more money to spend. The best budget option with RGB illumination and wireless connectivity, this is a great affordable mechanical keyboard, if you choose the most cost-effective alternative. Number 3. Durgod Venus, Best 60% Keyboard for Typing. I'm not going to lie, Durgod Venus blew me away. Of all the 60% keyboards on the list, this one provides the finest typing experience. The Durgod Venus is equipped with buttery smooth stabilizers that make typing a breeze. The keyboard produces the ideal thunk sound that we all desire. The stabilizers are pre-lubricated and have no rattling. The Durgod Venus is available on Amazon, and we strongly advise you to check it out. The keycaps are another something I'm interested in. The keycaps are composed of PBT plastic, which is far more durable than ABS, and they are available in the cherry profile. It's rare to come across a stock keyboard with cherry profile keycaps, most are OEM. Cherry profile differs from other profiles in that it has a lower profile and a more forceful slope on the keycaps, making it more comfortable for gaming and typing. Cherry Profile is the nicest, in my opinion, and you usually have to buy the keycaps separately and change them. The Durgad Venus is not one among them. In addition, the case's construction is pretty amazing. The keyboard is housed in an all-aluminum chassis, which gives it a very solid feel. There isn't any wiggle room. Because of the white hue, the RGB really pops on this keyboard. The RGB has a beautiful fuzzy glow that makes your desk stand out. There were a few minor flaws with this keyboard that I didn't care for. The casing has a small forehead, which takes up valuable desk space, and the power connection is recessed, making custom USB cables impossible to utilize. For typing, this is the best mechanical keyboard. This keyboard has a full aluminum structure, RGB lights, and other premium features. Number 2. KeyMove Snowfox/Shadow, Best Hot Swappable 60% Keyboard. The KeyMove Snowfox was a keyboard that I had a lot of fun with for a while. The Snowfox/Hot Swappable Shadow sockets make it simple to remove the switches and experiment with a variety of interesting mods. A polycarbonate shell with an aluminum top plate protects the keyboard. The overall case design is decent, but not exceptional. The PBT keycaps are of excellent quality. You may be confident that they will not deteriorate with time and develop a greasy sheen. In addition, the rough texture is appealing. The arrow keys are on the lower tier, yet they are very accessible. This keyboard positions them all on the right side of the keyboard, allowing you to use them without having to use your left hand. The unusual case design is the only drawback to the KeyMove Snowfox/Shadow. It has a bizarre inner layer that appears to be unusual. Furthermore, when installing and removing switches, it's quite simple to damage the backplate. This keyboard is a great choice if you want a keyboard that you can simply customize. You can make a lot of changes without soldering or desoldering anything. Number 1. Razer Huntsman Mini, Best 60% for Gaming. The Razer Huntsman Mini is a 60% keyboard that caused quite a stir when it first came out. The Huntsman Mini is one of the first 60% keyboards from a major keyboard manufacturer. Not to add that it comes with optical switches pre-installed. The optical switches are lightning fast and are ideal for serious gamers. They have a substantially faster response time than mechanical devices. The Huntsman Mini's only flaw is that it's not ideal for anything other than gaming. The stabilizers and switches are difficult to operate and type on. We do not encourage using this board to compose essays for school or send emails. The stabilizers are really rattly, and the switches aren't particularly comfortable. The overall case design is thin and light, making it easy to carry in a backpack but also making it feel cheap. This keyboard is ideal for gamers who want a dedicated gaming keyboard, but we can't recommend it for any other reason. The PBT keycaps, which have a very clean typeface, are an advantage of the keyboard. The material is very pleasing to the touch. You also get RGB lighting, which lights up your desk and illuminates the legends on the keycaps for easier typing and gaming in the dark. The Razer Huntsman Mini is available on Amazon. If you're a die-hard player, you won't want to miss out on this. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.